Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play The Sims 4 multiplayer S4MP step by step. Start by installing the S4MP mod and backing up your saves to prevent data loss. Next, confirm every player has the same game version and matching mod files to avoid desync. Create an invite-only session, test connection stability, and adjust bandwidth settings if needed. I will guide you through setup, troubleshooting, and smooth cooperative play. Host selection matters, so pick a player with reliable upload speed and low latency. Configure your router or use a simple NAT traversal tool if friends cannot join. Make sure the host runs the game as administrator and disables conflicting background apps. Create a private session and share the exact mod folder to every participant. I will explain toggles, client settings, and how to keep creative control while everyone plays together. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials and updates. Quick recommendation: read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite, a great way to relax between long multiplayer sessions and keep game guides handy on the go. I mentioned the device as a friendly tip, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once connected, set clear roles like Build Lead or Sim Manager to prevent accidental changes. Using game chat or a simple voice channel to coordinate actions and avoid overlapping edits. Encourage players to save at checkpoints and announce major moves to keep the world stable. I will share tips for synchronous play, resolving ownership conflicts, and keeping the economy balanced so sessions stay fun for everyone involved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.